Good morning. Happy Christmas Eve. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you are having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? The day before Christmas. All right, have you done all your shopping, or are you one of those last minute people that run around? You like to get those last minute sales, and you like the hustle and bustle of it all, being in the crowd? No, not me. No. Well, that is today, I guess. Have you gotten your shopping done? Or you just not going to participate in all of it all? Alright? Alright, at any rate, it's the day before Christmas. So we're here again with another video. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, what other programs am I promoting, go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, check it out, peruse around, and there's some other affiliate programs there. Alright? Now, let's get into this. We're going to do a video here just to go over. Yesterday we did my lead gen secret. This is a tool that I'm using. I used 3 years ago. I'm back with it, and I'm going to be sending out these emails every day to these leads that they give me. Alright, these business seekers, and I'm going to be sending them my link for the Home Business Academy, the $25 digital business. Alright, so we're going to do another one this morning. Now, before we get into anything, can't make any income claims or guarantees. So FTC disclaimer, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, go to income.hba.net. To earn much more, you're going to have to do the work. It takes skill, right? And you're going to learn that through the training through the Home Business Academy. All right? But you got to be committed to it. Okay? Nothing's going to work if you're going to do it once a month or twice a month and you don't take it serious, right? So you got to put the work in. So that's it. That's all. Let's go here. So we're going to come over here. And my lead gen secret, right? This is where the platform I'm using, they're sending me 200 leads a day. All right, because I have at least, as long as you got one person that signed up under you, they'll send you 200 leads. They'll double it, but it typically starting out it's 100 leads a day that you're going to be able to get without a website, without paid traffic. It's $1 a day. This has been around since 2019, all right? So this is not a new program. If you're checking this out for the first time, nothing new. It's been around since 2019, all right? So $1 a day is going to cost you $60 to set it up today. $30 is your one-time setup fee, and then it's $30 a month going forward, all right? So every time you get somebody signed up, though, right? Your first sale, you're going to go from 100 to 200 leads a day. All right. Now, they're going to send you 100 business opportunity email subscribers. That's going to be in your platform every day when you wake up. Done for you emailing platform. That's what this is. You just log in, send your emails out to whatever you're promoting. You earn $5 a month, residual income per referral. And then they also give you a bonus. You earn a $100 bonus after every 5 customers. Alright, and they pay via check, PayPal, or Bitcoin. You decide. Alright, and that's the breakdown of the comp plan there. And they have this is one of the pages that's in your affiliate section that you can use. There's several other ones. This is just one. I like this one because it shows results from other folks. People like to see, hey, is this really working? Did it work? For other people, and that's what this page does. But they have other pages in there that you can select from. All right. So that's that page. Now we in this thing, and as I mentioned, The Home Business Academy is what I am sending folks to. And in the Home Business Academy, I'm getting my emails from over there because it's my, by the way, here's the quote for today. Many persons have a wrong idea of what constitutes true happiness. It is not attained through self-gratification, but through fidelity to a worthy purpose, by Helen Keller. All right, that's the quote for today. It's Winning Wednesday. So we come over here in Home Business Academy, over here in Prompt Write AI, Prompt Write AI, and I have this thing here. You just type in here what you want, what you're looking for, and it will create it for you. So for the sake of the video, I've already picked the one I'm going to use. I have tons of these in here, tons and tons and tons. So this is the tool that I'm using. This is under the premium product. They've got 4 products here. In order to get this Prompt Write AI, you need premium. Premium is the top tier residual product that they have. This pays out $100 every time someone signs up with you for this premium. It's $125 a month, but you get training, you get coaching, mentoring, how to get traffic, sales, conversions, leads. It's a whole training platform there that includes tools, okay? AI tools, all right? And one of the tools is this one. So we're going to use this one here. So we come back over here. Hang on. All right, excuse my sinuses this morning. I'm a little stuffy here. All right, so we're just looking at our stats from yesterday. We sent out 2,700 to 2,700 leads. This was the subject line, and 169 folks opened it. All right, again, it's about getting exposure, guys. All right, that's the name of the game. Promotion. That's who wins the race. Who can promote the best? That's what it's about. You've got to promote. So this is a tool that I'm using to get eyeballs on my link for Home Business Academy. Okay, so that's what we had yesterday. So let's go in here and we click the mailing system. All right, and we're gonna select all of these 2025s because these are my fresh ones since I just got back in. I think next week I may start just playing around and see. These are 2022 leads here back then, and we're gonna see next week. I may start seeing if I get some responses from those folks, because a lot of times we don't change our emails, right? So